Yes, hello, this is George. This one will be your first homework assignment from the book, and it will be chapter 1 at the back, and will be question number 12, question 1, 2, and it asks for defining status for different kind of scenarios. So you should see item A all the way to item I. In some of your other editions of the book, the question number might be different, but I still believe it should be question 12. It should say finding status in parentheses, adjective 5, and then indicate the proper finding status for each of the following taxpayers. So all I need you to do is just to submit the answers. And then, for example, item A, it will be single. Item B, maybe the answer is married and found separately. All right, this is all you have to do. It's just go practice. All right. So we discussed the 5 different finding statuses already. So just choose the best status for each of these different cases. All right. Okay. Good luck. Bye bye now.